Welcome to another trading week. In this video I want to show you how I'll be trading gold for this week. However you look at it, gold is going to present us with a massive opportunity, and if you pay attention to everything I will discuss in this video, you certainly see the opportunity to make some few bucks this week. Alright, this is Mobile Trading Academy. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my videos. Alright, last week gold was trading within this very channel, okay, starting from this area and peaked at this point, then consolidated at this area and picked up from this very bottom of this channel and moved to this area. Now remember, the market loves symmetry, so what we should have seen was to see gold move up to the top of this channel, but that didn't happen. So rather we saw gold give us some bearish move and came to break the bottom of this channel. But at this point, gold found support at this 32.82 area and then was able to gradually move up, and now it has closed back into this channel. All right, so what that means is that this move right here is a fake out or a false breakout, and once you get a fake out in one direction of a pattern, you should get an extended move to the other side of the channel or of the pattern. All right, so now since this is now a fake out, the market has closed back into the channel. That means we are expecting to get an extended move to the top of the channel. So we're expecting an extended move to the top of this channel. That means maybe going to above 3400 to 3500 this week, at the end of this week. So this is how I'm approaching the market. We already see that this is a fake out, but there is a high here, so we need to see the market close above this high. All right, we've already gotten a reclaim of this very channel bottom. That is one confirmation of a bullish move. So we also need to get a close, a candlestick close above this very top, that is above 33.57 area. So once we get the candlestick close above that area, that is a confirmation of a strong bullish move, which will take us to the top of this very channel. Okay, that is what I'm expecting because we already got a fake out here. All right, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and do not forget to share this video and leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.